As we all know, plants seems in green in color because of presence of chlorophyll pigment in the chloroplast. The contents of fully developed chloroplast are enclosed in an envelope consisting of two membranes with an enclosed space, each membrane being 40 to 60 armstrong thick. The space between them vary from the 25 to 75 armstrongs. Several membranes stacked on top of each other are exhibited in the cross section of the chloroplast. These membranes are paired and forming stalks of discs on or within the lamellae. The chlorophyll and other pigments are found. The lower form of plant life, the pigments are evenly distributed over entire surface of the lamellae, while in the higher form of plant life, they are restricted to certain areas of lamella. If these are concentrated areas are layered one on the top of the other, the complete stock is known as granum. According to Oltmann in 1961 and Kelvin 1959, the chloroplast is a lamellar structure composed of lipids and aqueous protein layers. In higher plants, the number of chloroplasts varies from cell to cell. Each may have 25 to 250 chloroplasts. The outer membrane is freely permeable membrane. The inner membrane is selectively permeable membrane for molecules and contains many transporters such as integral membrane proteins which regulates the passage. The inner membrane closes the protein-rich ground substance called stroma. This fluid in the stroma contains enzymes, plastids, DNA, RNA, and ribosomes, lipidlets, and osmophilic droplets in and out of the chloroplast. Within the stroma, the other membrane system is thylakoids. The three membrane system thylakoids are into three distinct internal compartments. Can say outer membrane, periplastidial space, and inner membrane. Simply, the intermembrane space between the inner and outer membrane of the chloroplast envelope, the stroma which lies inside the envelope but outside thylakoid membrane, and the thylakoid lumen. The thylakoid membrane is a network membrane bound flattened disc called thylakoids, which are arranged in stalks called grana. Look like coins one over other when they are overlapping one over other, like a row of coins. The membrane of thylakoids are called fret membrane and grana are interconnected by tubular membrane called integral lamellae. Each chloroplast may contain the 20 to 25 granule clusters with a single granum comprising about 20 to 50 thylakoids. The thylakoid membrane are made up of 20% lipid and 80% proteins. They also contain a large number of granule structures embedded in the membranes. These granules are called quantasomes, are responsible for capturing photons of solar electromagnetic radiation and act as a photosynthetic units. The larger granules are called photosystem 2, smaller granules called photosystem 1. The intergranule lamellae lack the photosystem 2 but contain photosystem 1. As of now, what you are seeing that is lumen. At times, students feel difficulty how to draw the chloroplast structure. First, we have to draw the heart shape, then like this rectangle boxes we have to draw one over other, and just goes into the heart shape inside the lumen. Give shadows wherever important. That's it.